Hey folks, welcome to Data Smashers. So I am Pratik Shetty, aka the Tech Breath, and we are joined by Rishikesh Yadav, aka the ML Nerd, and Jay Oza, aka the Data Alchemist. We are Data Smashers, a group of data enthusiasts and ML developers. So we built a project, OpenCode.io, in a hackathon conducted by LabLab.ai. So what was our reason behind creating this solution and what exactly is OpenCode.ai? As the name sounds, we are revolutionizing code by open sourcing it, and this is created with the help of an open AI, an explainable type of AI. So what exactly it is and what solution do we provide? So our overview of our project is we have built this AI code generator with the help of open AI application ChatGPT. We are taking its API, and with the help of that API, we are able to bring a revolution. We are able to take some problem statement in form of constraint and give an output, a solution in form of code. So it is helpful for developers who are unable to come up with efficient solutions. So with the help of OpenCode.io, you can AI generate your code solutions and provide a better optimized code. Our product mission is to approach these individuals and help them get a better optimized solution, and in future phases might be also give them the power of explainable AI with the help of step by step execution and make them understand how AI has solved that problem. So let's take a look at our architecture.
Yeah, sure. So here we can see the flow chart, like how the working of the OpenCode.ai works. So here we can see there are like multiple platforms that we can select the problem from. So it's like Leetcode or Hackerrank or CodeChef, and the languages in which the solution you can expect is like C++, Python, and Java. So what you need to do is just input the question, the whole question with constraints, with input and output, samples and all, and it will go to the API or the ML model, which is code Cushman 001, which is an open AI codex API. Okay, and that will be helpful to generate the code and also for explaining the code and various other stuff. So we'll see the application that we have developed. So here I am sharing the screen. Okay. So cool. So here we can see we have hosted it on opencode.streamlit.app, and it's loading. So here we can see the normal basic details and made by data smasher team. So here it is like, let's say, lead code and Python. So we have one sample question here to take on. So we'll copy the whole example constraint and everything, and we'll just need to put here, and then we'll click generate. So by using the codex here, the in like 2 seconds only we got the code. So we just need to copy this and just go here and paste here. Okay, and we'll see whether the code generated by the model is correct or not. So okay, great, it's correct. It's accepting. So here we can see like how easily it generated the code. Here is the explain code on which we are working on to give a more detailed documented version. We'll see one more example how it actually works, as in let's say a hacker rank statement, and let's say Python only. Okay, so here we can see in this question there are some prompt given already and some where we need to write the code. So we'll just copy the whole question here, and we'll just remove the whole question from here. And here we have selected hacker rank, then Python solution we are expecting, and we'll paste this. Okay, so here it's generating the code for us, and we got the code. So if you will see, we need this much code, right? So we'll copy this and we'll just paste here. and we'll submit the code. Let's see that whether it passes. Okay, it passes all the test cases. So here we got to know like uh, how it actually uh, working, like how a user can work on this or can use it. Let's explore how the code actually seems like. Okay, so here we can see here are some of the front end part. The main actual generative code is happening here. Here is the API key. So we have used the secrets to just hide the API. And then the model which we are using, Code Cushman and 001. And here is the prompt which we are using. So the platform as we are taking and the question and the language. And some manipulation is being done in the token part to get the most relevant question or a relevant response according to the question. So we'll see next like what are the other features of opencode.ai, and that will be explained by Jay.
So what basically our product does is like we have the four key strategies to look over about our app. So first thing, it provides the solution. So many people face difficulties in competitive programming. So what they can do is go to open code and paste their question, and they can find out a detailed solution regarding the question. And one key factor is that we are it has a well-formed documentation enabled in it. So if a person does not understand a simple step or a single step by which the how the code works, so you can see the documentation for it. And the third important factor is the person can think strategically to perform to how it will perform the next step in it. So this code box helps us to uh, deliver this product. And of course, this is an AI. It helps to it understands again and again when the person inputs the data and understands the user's need. The data inputted by the person is the best thing the our AI can learn from. Next slide, please. And so what basically our future aspects are is open code is looking for us to scale its application by providing the optimization to the user. And for this optimization, the three important factors are needed in our future aspect. The first one is solution in multiple different languages. Currently we are supporting C++, Java and Python, but in our future aspects we are also looking for JavaScript, Bash, and many other different languages. And the second is a better UI UX for our portal so that a user can find a easy explanation for and the solution for the question, and also better documentation for the user's need. So for summing up, open code is a platform where user can find solution to their competitive programming questions. So thank you for listening us kindly. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. And if
Thank
you
you.
like this Data Smashers presentation or project, please smash that YouTube button and turn it gray. So, yeah, thank you from Data Smashers.